Fine. Go?
Go.
Give her the chorus. No, she too loud. She won't be you know, said you couldn't live without me now.